Me watch him walk out with us, said the Adruso no a bedroom so Cassie and some of your bossy about Medina as some more said on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Facebook no a Adom TV extra and 7 doors on the Betty and also Cashibi say University Senior Staff Association no a mumpenny for be the other shady air to a band him so how no one share one so on Samson Western North Charles President your which my report a bit of Sadusia for 137,000 to be my essence warm busua na sesika enifie no enye no kre na beto dwa se Ghana ha nkasa no uche yemu ha mu nchemu aduonum na o maye kese aborso ye ni nyedi mu ejiremu ebebro we ni nsem ahodo bi nam de so mo se bedwam so kase wuhia me a afre me anoche wa ba ajwa se wa fenchemu no me de to so amount Titlani Emma Senior Staff Association, Emma University for Development Studies, Mohammed Zakaria. Now, what the Atogana ban when we say one more how, yes, we 15 years was what here, and Tia Bine on Shay, no person, no more, or more than Menuinas and penny for your so what's here, Triano, or more how we runti, where Jad the Chere, Etifiano, on Red one so how no sebe ya the Chenia, the young some Ebese Frasi.
Suffering that will arise as a result of this strike. It's unfortunate, as we have indicated, that this is the time that the academic and administrative work is in full gear. But government should have looked at that aspect and listened to us and solve the problem. But government failed to do that, putting the poor students of this country into trouble. Because now we are packing back and baggage. So if government of Ghana is serious about the tertiary educational activities in Ghana, government should listen to us within the shortest possible time. But if government of Ghana thinks that tertiary education is not a priority to it, then fine, we are fine with it.
A school phobia woman so any Adom news in Central for etching common what did you just say?
This strike is really going to affect us a lot since our lectures are very important when it comes to our academics. That's mainly our purpose here. And then as of now, academic year has started and we are just roaming around as students. We are not attending lectures, nothing, just because of this particular thing. So we are just pleading with the government.
Basically, this strike would negatively affect us simply because we just came from home and just 2 weeks after we just started lectures are on strike. So we are pleading with the government through the Ministry of Education.
So as you know, after COVID, the academic calendar was distorted. So coming into this year, 2024, we're expecting that if all things being equal, we are going to have the academic calendar back to normalcy. And here is the case, Senior Staff Association have gone on strike. As you can see behind me, we are doing freshers registration. We started last week. And then right after they leave here, they have to go to their various departments.
Yeguswa ewo adishani adishemu nsemu titina nema Conference of Heads of Assisted secondary schools eternity as Charles ewo Western North mantem no emu na amwa amankwa eri atudwa se report betu odwa se obasa mantem ni mu a adishia for was wo moba from 1 no 137,000 ese empe mo ha ne aduasanson na esan se sikasem ho enhyada nko yenti no wo mo ema suku mo panyi chese sansem no enye ni nyina na enokre
some no antisa kra say unverified say nipa no once me and because free Western North no the figure no come out Western North enya Western North that time no kra na the whole country but no the whole country kra no because I swati enti so best say answer na o be kan ayibisa no friend nipa na bisa no say bia sa na tie na nipa no nya den enya no ansa ba antisa person of your figure antisa kra
wasande to awofo anim se womo hwe se womo manum a womo enya admission a womo da so esifia womo twen se enema hodo esese womo todi ko school womo beto ni nina no womo nye saa na emom womo ko school no
yen kola na aka 2500 na aka no ye be stress say still admission no yen close ye ena moreover so kola ni piso odwi se enema no open ni nyina muno ansa na wa ba school antisa mattress say ye will be government one wo anti awofo a wontimi nyeska nto student mattress ma oba no oba school mu a ye benya bia ma schools ni nyina okomu a ye was government mattress of a ye mema obi ene ma no kakra bia obenya bia bra ene ma no prospectus no ye nkra begin na ho ma ate ase say enkyere se nkola ni nto sa ne ma nyina nsa no maba anti kakra bia obenya bia bra e kwanya ho ye begemo
Ghana Demographic and Health Survey at the Abetu just say, one more for Mantama Cassia Mensa and Cry Kuma Senator Malaya Nipa Womo, and what the woman Yushimun Remunery and Mabetu just say. Ghana Hankasano, Bayo Hamunchemuni, a Drunumni Echre, and now one more Cassia Bull woman fears to meet me for tenting, no ma for Mudru, no ma for Wumfi, no more the to home. Neno Penny ye HS a man of crowded one, ya Cassia do one achen a member, and I said the Munchemu a coin. A film Pirunia Dunum, Ghana Demographic and Health Survey, ya Ghana Statistical Service, no HRS or my Ghana. A mao how much chemu a dunum, a chiripomi nu, and a sosua, a bean so, a mu drupa, a broso, a meman so, a yo how much chemu a dunu, a chiripo and son. Now a share and crack a siemi and sa and cry kumase and a tamalemua. One manu ye and our dear Susudia Eshe.
Another issue so I share related to obesity in Riania, mammy and papa for omudi, especially homo mudi on healthy food. You can't unhealthy food. Was this savia, you can't homo mudi French fries, ne cake, ne chocolate, ne toffee, all the sugars and oily based foods no what implications our health status. Obesity and their release nature say over 50% of your women aged 15 to 49 years are either obese or overweight. Specifically 22% are obese and 28% are overweight. We so from Mbema side no you say over Mbema 5 be we or either overweight and now obese. Into when in your mind they said the responsibility no doesn't rest only with either the individual or the state but
Ghana Statistical Service Koreano a year 2022 Ghana Demographics and Health Survey no more one sign Eddie Atuja say omuhwe mu ma betoja say emaye wo mayi mo ya wo mfie no efri edunum kopem aduanan kron na say 15 to 49 years o hamunche modu 10% na wo mu twa kwansini mienu na say 2 hours ansana apomoden ayaresa bia na say bia ya obenya ahoto no wo munsaka
the OT region having more than 10% of women aged 15 to 49 years traveling in excess of 2 hours to access the nearest facility. The range is from 0.8 in the eastern region to 11.6%. This is where the conversation around the citation of the Agenda 111 should be reflected. As in, is it dominant in these places where we see a lot more people traveling in excess of 2 hours to access a health facility?
Sansemi Wanu ye Adom Kasiebo Pene Director General with Ghana Health Service and no Dr. Patrick Kumabwaje and NHA and Common Wadi to just say Ayarosabia and Gusue see a film kone we ye no be Ayarosabia bebriano and so beshe say a tifido femuno bebrebeko.
Say Agenda 111 dear ne say ye wo be a couple of districts I said districts biano I was saying Unya Chips Compound, war health centers, Nanka war referral district hospital bago. Ebinibi, minim say a Badwam, no only Sabia, Yareka Crabia Bako, Nemumia refer Ukrana, Yamin fell question because districts now Timono, Ebi or Hua, a bit in the show, and see, Yenim say, we in term about one, I mean, I say, I think soon they're not Ebi.
Yemfri Ghana Statistical Service wa munse muni yemkwa yepo ye mantem no emu ye kojire mo kwa bibre mansi no emu achimkede omanfo bi ya wo mo wa achimkede e kasache mu a ahensie ni ahentu ho mansotwen adahodo mo a be yemfisia edumie ni esanse ehemfo no nsa ya dwen na manso na ekon wo ntemunti ene amampuntu ho nsam ato ape wose akwan wo mu ni bi ene amanketenkete kra wo senka omobo wo nsa no no wonya no esanse mpanimfo yi adwene nsa nti amampundu ho nsam aye bibio ho wompotemo
ewo kwai bibre mansini a ewo epoye mantem mu nso wonum krom ho no no besine ya no wonum akwan enye adesua ho nsam ene apomuden ho nsam so nya kora ene ahokire fufuru bi a edamanfo so ewo krom ho no mo amfo bi ene ahemfo nketo wo krom ho no mo a yamani boni ene wonum twetwe nkomo no akire mu se
the 14 years ni ye ka ade a adameji keda anodin manso no a ye start ye na adameji kede empuntu o maha nanke ye nursing training omde ba pom se manso wan je se onye obi akoka che ne kwa so mfanye den emra omde kwa brem there are many yanyema bebre apayem se se yenya e wa akwa ye se manso nti ekwa ye se manso nti eno damage kede nti ye sra ban se saade no manso 2024 de o ma manso ntwamaye
manso nhase no be 13 years ni awa eba no ano den papa ye mpem putuo bia oma ya na mpuntuo bia makade krom ha ye de kade ajale tena du de nurses training eba kade krom ebusua pani no hema eye na nurses training ni ko afosu ye kade krom ha ye ni mpuntuo bia ye mewie school kwaje so mtu kwan ekopa adwuma ye omo pese adwuma titru bia ebeba kade krom ha ye ni abre papa
Yanko bana na matran konwa bedwa ko ye wo bana e de adehwede de kokobonsem ato obi anim amanyofo die wom emebune die wom kiremu 2024 ye yewramu yi e ya abatwa fe na ebe ha dwen pa se abatwa ye hwe ne mu semfie na bia ye to de nti na ebe wiase wo wie ne kase bi asi omayi mu nti wo stress electoral commission o amanyofo emebune die amanyoko achi o obi anhwe no ntwede ho infrastructure
Oyene owo banda Boase wuletie lekibi a otosu mienu e de efutuo ama electoral commission amanyofo ene omanfo se womo hwe se womo ebedi adanse e de afa asumdue hu e wo 2024 abato ebekoso no abra wo kasa mrashebejeni owo banda Ahmed Ibrahim ekosra nananom ahemfo e wo wono e palace no wodi tudwa se
asase no gu banani mu ase pa se ye twa edin keke ye twa edin keke na wuo ni na sefo bebraba mu gu banani mu ase ko ye pa nti eno achi no ye wie no ye fra ya manfo no nyina ye fra banama nyina hia na etu omufo semfa ye ngu ase ba man se twa din twa keke na nipa awu ye ngu ase banama nti etu amanfo no fo se afi din twa e ba be no ye nye no asunwe mu se ne amanfo binom ye no mukroma entu chema na den tira bana ma de nko ade ye be ya na ye se bebre nti etu omufo se afi we die ya ye ba be ye wo be fa umusuo na ode basabasa be ba tintwe mu no wona nanom de ka kira politician no so bi so we na dwen se ono afi wode dintwe na ye ba be twe no wode basabasa ye be ba mu no nananom be so nim
Yeguswa wa manyonsem mu na yenko ogoso na nakwasi bosumpra ye goso hene avomantem mu na mejana nanso de kokobon nsem mu oden ama amanyofo se so adwen yo so ba mpotem ho abebonto a bekeka manfo tirabom abeboabo amabuna no moma be yeye wo hodo mu anya de so no obetena se aye nhwe ha sanse abato afi no emfie na bi e ba anya afi nko a na seje beto mayi mu enti wontena se enye nhwe ha ma obi a emefa mabuna woni mpotem hodo mu no enye tutrase
area de nya de amema kwan emu obia dim ne matwofo aba matwo wa aba wo matwa kwaye ne da no me enkodua enua fa matwo nko abato ho nyeso abati no apagya no 2024 year afibia o se nya amutre ne emu onyame de hene e wo ya batom se de be ya nkofa bibi basa bia e ma ko de bia yan yeka se adwuma onyame de ahye yensa no adwuma no ne kwa wa memfie wo se me ye adwuma ne kwa wa nti se wo wanhwe na de ntokwa eba na de be say memfie a wo problem
Wasan di tudwa se aya na ye ne nwanwa pa se eduru abato emre so a na nipa bi mu edi nsamone eye violence bi na ya na obisa no se safue pa emfa so ben ana ya wo mu enya frim a wo mu guso etu sa na mo no
ya mpifuo yi ya president nom wo mo etu aba ma wo mo no ya tu aba wi a bi wo kra hu mpi no hu no nti die nti na akwa akoko wo kwakwan ya den emra wo kopa adwuma na dia ma obi ono wo koda na V8 wo so wo kumase ya wo te swintem no wasa akoko ni atwa wonsa di amfa so na obenya nti asraw so mu tie na nabo so mpra ne a afi woi omuma abato no nya free and fair
ye free honom na fe yemra ekwan befa so aboye mpotemo ne ye bro no ahodo ho eban na executive director Emma Environmental Protection Agency ye twanitia EP no ye Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofu na jumadi esronko akoso na we no ye nhyiamudie ya wode ye nkyekira hwe kwane a enwusie tututututu ye jai eba monten so ema ye home no ye betumi ape anmop masibre na ensai o my Ghana ye wie mu satra ye honsem
Afie mu no June ewiase nyina kosia wo Bonn Germany na omampani na Adom Akufo-Addo one the sector minister Dr. Kwaku Afriye ekogina o man na ye no ana Ghana de tro dwumadie nanim se yenso hu behia se ye beye saa nhyehyɛ ne betu anamon a ye frɛ no 2050 pathway se enkwa nkosi 2030 no na dwumadie akoso na emum enkodru 2050 ne de we yanimu no na nhyehyɛ bia wiase ama nyina ye no na yetimi de asi
Director for Development Coordination Division Ewo National Development Planning Commission Wilfred Nelson enso edi tudwa say strategy a womo edi begu akwam eyade ebeboa ama enwusie a ede yarewa ene owuo ema omanfo no etimi abrase.
We at the National Development Planning Commission do anticipate that a long-term development strategy will incorporate global issues and dynamics with flexibilities to ensure continuity in implementation, spanning different governments, and also a comprehensive arrangement to track its implementation to achieve sustainable development.
Ejimekuo kesiye ba ku ye from Ejahon Samso wo maimu Ghana National Gas Company na wo mo akotakra de ya Ghana Military Police 2 Provost Detachment Office and Staff Accommodation ye wo Tommy Barracks e wo takra de no wo mo akoye nsiesie sanse free sempanifo si sa dan no 1962 na sa chepa so na nya de nsiesie stronko bi akoso ho ne senti na Ghana Gas Company wo mafato mo so a akoye nsiesie stronko.
Asojafo office eni baby a womo eda ewo Tommy Barracks ewo takrade sa edan yi womo esi no 1962 nanso no na edan yi pai na ne hu hia se enya insiesie we enam so ama Ghana National Gas Company ayo momoa ama womo akosisi womo office yi ede amom abra womo commission office no two garrison commander Commodore Yimano Ayensu ede to Adom News nsentwofo enim se Chief of Defense Staff ene sha se wo siesi ana sese we mu nso abeto aso esiesi no amanaye kamasa no woda adwumaku no ase wanamo a womo etuye no.
The commissioning of this block is a very memorable occasion because it marks a milestone in the history of the Ghana Armed Forces. Additionally, it establishes the vision and aspiration of the Chief of Defense Staff to solve the accommodation challenges in the service. And this block will go a long way to improve the situation. To the personnel who will be occupying this office, I want to congratulate you for being selected as users of this edifice. We expect a high standard of professional upkeep of the
Yenyina Ghana National Gas Company for ensemi eso na kasiam de so mo bedwam so anope no memfa ni nyina NCFR DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 Facebook no ye Adom TV extra YouTube so ye dem live ushia me a eya frame anoche wa ba adrase wa bedwam so ne ye dan ye ho abana de obokra tampensem mu ene online portal so nsem no atwaso